Today YouTube, we're going to change this oil on the CBR500R. The oil bolt is at the back of the engine. Once you break it loose, you should be able to do it with your hand. The engine holds 2.8 liters of oil. Let's cut that. And that's with the oil filter. I change my oil every 5,000 kilometers or 3,000 miles. When it gets down to just where it's dripping, go ahead and put the bolt back in. I always put a new washer on the oil drain bolt and just put the threads in by hand first. You don't want to use a tool to put the things. You'll end up stripping out the bolt or the threads in the case, not the bolt. For all the people that like to use torque wrenches, the torque on this bolt is 22 foot-pounds. I feel that's about 22 foot-pounds. Now we're going to pull the oil filter. The oil filter is in the front of the engine. I'll try and find a place for this. See the oil filter there? I'll try and find a place where you can see it better, but I take a oil filter wrench with a long extension, put it on top of the oil filter. And same thing with this. I like to use Honda oil filters. When I went to my Honda dealer, they wanted $35 for this thing in Australia. Could not believe it. So I went to Ryco and bought a Ryco filter. I will not use chrome oil filters or no-name brand filters because the glue they use to make the paper inside will melt under heat, and then you'll end up with all that glue hardening up in all your oil passages. You can ruin your engine fast doing that. On your new oil filter, make sure you take off the plastic. and then get some oil, put that on the seal. And then same thing, you're going to put this on by hand. I don't know if that's a good view or not. Some people like just to put it on by hand and then do like 3/4 of a turn after it seals, but Honda actually has a torque rating for this, and it's 19 foot-pounds. So using that same tool, I tighten it to 19 foot-pounds. Now that's tight. The oil drain bolt's tight, and we're going to put oil in here. Just loosen that up. You're going to get a funnel, and I'm going to get some oil, and then we're going to fill it up to where it comes to the top line when the bike is level. I'm using this Castrol Activ 15W50. But a lot of people will use Honda oil or motor. It's up to you, it's personal preference, but whatever oil you do start using, I'd recommend you use it again and again and again. And I'm not pouring in 4 liters. Everybody knows the size of this can. I've measured out 2.9 to 3 liters in this bottle by itself. Put your oil cap back on. And then start your bike up. Make sure your oil pressure light goes out. That's taking a long time. There it goes out. Check for oil leaks around your filter, around your drain bolt. After you run it for a little bit, then you can grab it, lift it up, move it to the center. And then you can see that oil level right where it needs to be. Then after you're done, take it for a ride. Go have some fun.